Imagine this. You just got paid, and for a moment, you feel good, until you start paying the bills. Rent takes a huge chunk, groceries cost more than they used to, and after filling up your gas tank, you're left wondering, where did all my money go? Sound familiar? You're not alone. The rising cost of living has made many people rethink where they live. The good news is that some states offer a much lower cost of living, allowing you to save more, own a home for a fraction of the price, and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without the financial stress. Today, we're counting down the top 10 states with the lowest cost of living in America. Whether you're looking for an affordable place to raise a family, retire, or just keep more money in your pocket, this list is for you. Number 10. Indiana. Indiana kicks off our list with a cost of living index of 90.6, meaning it's about 10% cheaper than the national average. Housing is a major reason why Indiana is so affordable. The average home price is around $220,000, and rent for a one-bedroom apartment is often under $900, a huge difference compared to coastal cities where rent can easily exceed $2,000. But it's not just housing. Grocery prices in Indiana are lower than the national average, and gas prices are some of the cheapest in the Midwest. If you're looking for job opportunities, Indiana has a strong economy with careers in manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Cities like Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, and Evansville offer a mix of city life and suburban comfort, all while remaining budget-friendly. Number 9. Missouri. Next on the list is Missouri, with a cost of living index of 89.8. That means life here is more than 10% cheaper than the national average. One of Missouri's biggest advantages is affordable rent and housing. A one-bedroom apartment costs around $800 a month, and the average home price is about $230,000. Missouri is also known for having some of the lowest healthcare costs in the country, making it a great option for families and retirees. And let's not forget about entertainment. Missouri is home to Kansas City BBQ, St. Louis blues music, and the beautiful Ozark Mountains, all of which you can enjoy without breaking the bank. Number 8. Tennessee. Tennessee comes in with a cost of living index of 89.5, but it has a unique advantage that makes it even more affordable: no state income tax. That means more of your paycheck stays in your pocket. Housing costs are lower than the national average, with home prices around $250,000 and rent for a one-bedroom apartment averaging $900 to $1,000. Groceries, utilities, and transportation are also very affordable, making Tennessee a budget-friendly place to live. And if you like music, food, and outdoor activities, you'll love it here. Nashville, Memphis, and the Great Smoky Mountains offer entertainment for every lifestyle, whether you're into country music, blues, or hiking. Number 7. Georgia. At number 7, we have Georgia, with a cost of living index of 88.8. The Peach State offers a great balance between affordability and economic opportunity. Atlanta is a major business hub, home to companies like Coca-Cola, Delta Airlines, and Home Depot. Even though Atlanta can be pricier, smaller cities like Augusta, Macon, and Columbus offer significantly lower living costs. Housing in Georgia is more affordable than many neighboring states, with the average home price around $275,000. And let's talk about food. Groceries in Georgia cost less than in most other states, meaning you can enjoy delicious Southern cooking without worrying about your budget. Number 6. Arkansas. Arkansas has a cost of living index of 87.8, making it one of the most affordable states in America. Housing here is incredibly cheap, with an average home price of just $190,000. Rent is also low, often under $700 for a one-bedroom apartment. Food, utilities, and healthcare costs are all below the national average. But affordability isn't the only perk. Arkansas is full of natural beauty, from the Ozark Mountains to Hot Springs National Park. If you enjoy hiking, fishing, and outdoor adventures, this is a great state to live in while keeping costs low. Number 5. Alabama. Alabama comes in at number 5 with a cost of living index of 87.1. One of the biggest reasons Alabama is so affordable is low property taxes. Homeowners pay some of the lowest property tax rates in the country, making homeownership much easier. The average home price is around $225,000, while rent for a one-bedroom apartment is often under $800. Alabama also has some of the lowest healthcare costs in the nation. If you're looking for warm weather, affordable living, and friendly Southern hospitality, Alabama might be the place for you. Number 4. Oklahoma. With a cost of living index of 86.2, Oklahoma offers some of the cheapest housing in the country. The average home price here is around $180,000, and rent is well below the national average. Gas prices are also some of the lowest in the U.S., and everyday expenses like groceries and utilities won't drain your wallet. Oklahoma has a strong economy in energy, agriculture, and aerospace, making it a great state for job seekers. Number 3. Kansas. Kansas has a cost of living index of 85.5, meaning it's nearly 15% cheaper than the national average. Housing is one of the biggest savings factors, with homes averaging around $175,000. Food, healthcare, and transportation costs are all among the lowest in the country. Kansas is a great place for people who prefer small-town charm but still want access to cities like Wichita, Topeka, and Kansas City. Number 2. Mississippi. Mississippi has a cost of living index of 84.8, making it the second most affordable state in America. It has the lowest home prices in the U.S., averaging around $165,000. Rent is also incredibly cheap. With affordable health care, groceries, and utilities, Mississippi is one of the best places to stretch your dollar. Number 1. West Virginia. And finally, the number 1 most affordable state in the U.S. is West Virginia, with a cost of living index of 84.6. West Virginia has the lowest home prices in America, averaging just $150,000. Utility and healthcare costs are also among the cheapest in the country. With its stunning mountain views, affordable lifestyle, and low cost of living, West Virginia is a hidden gem for those looking to save money. That wraps up our list of the 10 cheapest states to live in America. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.